Alright, hello. I am doing my Nature Baby collection. Before I start changing the babies in some of these pieces, I wanted to show you, this is my favorite brand of baby clothing. And I have quite a few pieces from this company, and I just wanted to show you my collection. So this is the Nature Baby catalog. Here's what the brand name looks like. And I'll start with the Binkies. Here's one packaged, and here's one that's opened. They do the Nature Baby Goldie. They're called Goldie Sager Binkies. And I will show those to you. Here's what it looks like. Come on. There we go. Here's what it looks like. And here's what it looks like in the package. They're super cute. And then also their rattle is something that I love. It's a willow spiral rattle. And it really does rattle. So those are the pieces that aren't clothing that I have. I have this pair of booties no one's worn yet. They are natural, or all the Nature Baby products are organic, natural, mostly unbleached cotton. Here's the Ladybird print. Nature Baby tag, organic cotton wear. I have two pairs of the organic unbleached booties. They're just plain. So we have two of those, which are, here's the other pair right here. We have the organic, natural, unbleached mittens. We have the Pointella unbleached natural bonnet. I have two of the cream Pointella sleeveless body tank. And I have one of the sunshine color. And the other one is the other Pointella ivory body tank is on harvest already. I have a sleep gown, and it gathers here. You pull it to gather the bottom. And it has a little cute saying there. So I have the gown. And then I have both of these Pointella jumpsuits in two different colors. This one's the ivory. It's a jumpsuit, cameo jumpsuit, Pointella. And then I have the sunshine color that I haven't used yet. And those are the pieces. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pieces in my Nature Baby collection that I wanted to show you before I start changing my babies into them. Alright, thanks for watching. I highly recommend this brand.